How to fix an error has occurred while starting Roblox. Hey everyone, if you guys are facing the issue, this is how you can fix it. The first thing you can do is simply go ahead and clear the Roblox app data. So you can do that by pressing Windows plus R key. And then here you can simply search for percent and then local app data, then percent again. Hit enter. Once you type this in, this folder this will pop up on your screen. Now just scroll down and then find Roblox here, and you can completely delete this folder. So let me just right click on it and then delete. You don't have to worry about anything. What it does is it will basically delete the cache files. So what you can do is just go ahead and find the temp folder here. So if you download that particular folder, it will delete your game data. But if you go to the temp folder and then find Roblox here and try to delete that, then it will only delete the cache files. So once you've done this, just go back and then try to uninstall and reinstall Roblox. And doing that should fix your issue. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.